Hi parents, this is Mike Makers. This is Valentine Day, and I want to show you and your kids how to draw a ring with heart on it. So you have an online software allowing you to do that for free. It's on 3D modeling software. It's called Tinkercad. So what you need to do is go there, type Tinkercad, and you're gonna be the first one, tinkercad.com. So you click on that one. So when arriving there, since you doesn't have an account, so you may ask you to click on join now. So this is what you do. If you already have an account, just sign in. And from there, you can do like if you have a school or something, but you just go there, create a personal account, and you sign up with an email. So that should be it. And from there, you type in, all birth data and everything. And I think to have a personal account, you need to be 13 or 14 years old minimum. So if you want to create an account for your kid, you may need to type your date of birth. So because if you're like 8 or 7, they won't be allowed to create an account. So from there, I just let you that. So you can create with your own age, and it should be that. So when you arrive there. So those are a couple of things I've done before. These are different projects I've done before. It doesn't matter too much. So you arrive there, and you be to in free designs. From there, you create new design, and you wait a couple of seconds, and it should load a nice interface for you. So that's the interface that we have. On the side here, you can see we make a tutorials on it, we'll go more in steps. So today I really want to show you how to make the ring. So you go to basic shapes, you have different shapes here, and from there you scroll down until you can find where is it at? I can even see it. It was the heart. Um, yeah, there is the heart. So we got the heart here. So you hold down with the left click like this. Okay, if that's a tube, okay, we need the tube anyway. So so we scroll in, with the mouse, scroll in and out. With the middle of the mouse. And let's click on it. Let's click on it. So you can see here that we have two different things appearing. We have 20, meaning it's 20 millimeters on each side. So you can change it if you want. But that's not the purpose for today. And let me show you another thing, another tip. So you can see the different view that you may have. So that's the different view, the front view, and you can move that around, see the right view. You can move that around by left clicking on it, so you can have different views. And if you want to go back to the home view, you click on that one. If you want to zoom in, zoom out, so this is how it's done. So let me have a front view. So I want it like this, but I want a ring. And for that, I may need to turn it 90 degrees. So for that, you click on it, and you have this arrow here that you need to turn. So you click on it, and you click here, and you click 90. So it will turn like 90 degree like that. So let's move that around. So to move it like this, so I hold down the right click, and I move my mouse around. So you can see that here we have the platform here, and it kind of goes underneath. So I want it to be always above that. So what I do with the left click, I hold it down here like this, and I make it go up. So it say -1, 0. So it says like 2 above the platform. So I want it at 0 for now. So that's all right. And then when I click on it, I want to show you something else. So we can change also the radius depending on how big your kids' fingers are. So let me show you here. So we can really change that. So up, here we are. So let's see. Oh, we can click on it. Let's see it's 10. That's it. So wall thickness. So you can change that. I was 2.5. Let me put it at 5, so you can have a big idea of what it is. Put it at 5 for you. So it really goes big. So and with that you can change all of that. So depending of how big you can take a ruler and go really with your nose, and see how it goes for your kid's finger, or even yours if you want. So yeah, that's it. And you can even change the side as well. You can change, like, let's say if you wanted to change this how big it is there, so you want it maybe like 8, you can change it for 8. If you want it smaller, you can change it for 6. It's really up to you. And now we want a heart. So I take the heart here, so with the left click on the mouse, I hold it down, and I put it here. So let's move that with the right click and hold it down, so we can see how we look like when we're close to each other. So I don't want the heart to be that high, so it's simply done right here. It's like 10 millimeters. I want it maybe at like 10 of each, meaning like 2.5 millimeters. So I can change that. So like put it around 3 millimeters. Let's say 3 millimeters. So let's change the view. Let's take the top view. And what I want to do now, I want to move the ring by the heart. And before that, I want to turn it before that. So I want it to be 90 degree. So I show you why I want to turn it. So I click on that. I put 90 degree. And now what I want to do, I want to move that from here to here. But the thing is, uh, if I click on one of those, like you're gonna completely change that. Let's say if I click on, you have this white squares all around, black squares all around. If I click on that, you're gonna change it. Let's see. Let me show you. It's gonna be 20, 20, 21. So you're gonna change the width, the length, and so on. It was 20. So what I want you to do, I want you to put the mouse where you don't have a square, and left click, hold the left click down, and from there you can move it like this. So I want it to be in let's say about in the middle, something like that. I can still can move it maybe. These are really not the best to move it around. And something else I can do is maybe increase the height for that. Let me put it at 4 millimeters, or I can change the size of that, but it looks okay. So this is it. We have done the ring with a heart on it at the top. Something we can do as well is this. We have two different elements there, and we want the two of them to be together. Because if I move the ring of the heart, you're gonna be separated from the other shape we have here, maybe the ring of the heart. So what you do, you select both of them. So we hold down left click like this, and that's it. So we have shape two. So we have the shape selected. And what we do, we go here and we click group. What we do, it kind of mold the two of them together. So there it is. So let's move it around with the right click down. You can see the ring and the heart have the same color now, which is nice. So we need they're all together now. So let me show you. Hold the left click down and move it around so you can see, guys, but both of them are moving together. So they're not separated no more. Okay, there it is. So now I want to turn it now just to have the heart at the top, like a real ring. So I click on that. Okay, up, click on it. Give me 1 second. Click on it. Oh, I need to select all of it. I'm sorry. And click on the arrow like this, and we put 180 degree. So we wanna like going back. So that's it, guys. So this is the hardware we've designed, and you can use that file, like click on export, if you want to save the file, and after that you can, if you have a printer at home, you can use it to 3D print it, or send it or to some online 3D printing companies. They can do it for you as well. And that's it for today, guys. So I really hope you enjoy it, and give the video a like the channel as well, and share it with your friends if you like the video. If you want more comments if I can improve something on what I'm saying or what I'm doing. Please comment and see you soon for another video. Thank you very much.